so desperate on my knees to break. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to leave.
Reporting to you live from Great Spearfishing News Center. In the morning where they say hurricane coming, I am out on the road. I'm on the road alone. Seems like I'm alone, I live nowhere. Only me and that bird is flying. Going through, go look what's going on with my people. Right now I'm heading out on the sea. Yeah, I got my gears on the back. We're going diving, so let's see what's happening. Storm one part, sun is shining one part. So I'm heading out towards the beach here. You guys can see that? Yeah man, that's his sun shining in our people. See how far this boat come? Go out there, look there. And that's the sun shining with people. Weather coming, sun shining. But guess what? Create outside, reading the weather. Let you all can see what's going on live. You can see there. The sea gone to school. We got whole heap of clean water miles over and over. So if you all want to see me go over there, yeah man, just like, comment, share and subscribe. You know, the weather we come to check about the people. Yeah man, the weather we come over people. Just making you have a look at what's going on. Bare things out there, man. Bare things. See them babes. Sun is out, you know. Got that boat owner here. Decided to say him finish with sea completely, you know, so him neither come move a boat there. Right? See? Breeze not come yet. Water wash come right up here, so you know, people. It's only like a couple meters out here. Watch your go. So yeah man, my people. You see the distance now from where there? Look, and there so. Yeah man, way far now my people, no far that we can't go. Yeah man. And good look at this standard so. Watch out go on me heading back around my people because I don't know how the thing set. Yeah man. I'm showing how the beach look before the storm, you know, so. After the storm, I'm going to come out back. I'm going to see what I'm going on. So, have a look at all of the trees them and things. Just want to have a look how the place there before, you know. Right about now, I'm heading back to land. We're going back for safety. We are out, my people. We are what out. Come on, see it here now. We have the Lego these bends out here. Yeah, this is what take us from point here. This is the Hurricane. This is the Hurricane mobile. Come on, Hurricane mobile, my people. Remember, as I showing my people, just want to have a look at how the place stay before the storm reach. So, just have a close look while going in how the place actually look. And when the storm come, if the storm come, you're gonna see how nature destroy the place. You man. Remember, see how far this boat come. We're looking at all these trees up in the air now, so guys, we are gonna need your help because we are gonna need some whole lot of help to get some of them trees here across from the road. We are gonna block the road to come to the beach. Right? So remember, you know, this is how the road looks. I'm just making you all have a good view of everything, you know, my people, because once this storm come and pass, the whole place gonna be leveled down. Multiply them trees are go fall. See them? Just remember, say we did have the video before and we are go do the video after. You want from Portland? You might don't know, crazy here. Putting live to you from Portland, people, because I don't know. We're on the YouTube. You have to make sure you see what's going on in the area. Yeah, man, nothing much yet, you know. This video is just a little tam, just to show you what's going on till the real deal reach later on up in the day. Yeah, man, so I go there for me to see everything. You see that, my people? Remember, I just showing a little while, say we have sun shining here in Portland, you know, while rain at tear down sections in Kingston and around on the south side. You see me? Yeah, man. We go and show now, I go and see that. Yeah, man. General, I go and clean up the place. Eh? I don't know what I go on with it. I just go and do what I have to do. I'm going to make sure say a couple things cut down. I'm try protecting in light wire, you know. See me? Anyways, my people. Somebody me tell them say we have to get all the gas and power and things, because I know the tree I got tear down. Machine now can cut them. You see me? Just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, people. And watch out for them people, make sure them can scratch out the drain them, you know. Make sure them can get the drain them a little clean. I don't know when water one place for running, you know, people. Then just come through and get the drain them a little clean. But you see that? Buckle by the thousands. So them come get the drain them a little scratch out. We haven't seen any sign of rain yet. That's how I go on, so I go check in live on the YouTube and on the TikTok. So if you don't follow me over TikTok yet, then I go search Crazy Spearfishing over on TikTok. But I must find me because I'm one alone over there. Where at a Crazy Spearfishing, you know, my people. This I go on and see there. The liquor breeze, you know, we're not getting a big one yet, you know. But the liquor we're going without me chop all in. What go on, what go on, you know. Peeps, watch out. See next piece I have for so watch out. Drop down here, peep, tear down in a 2 days and watch out. Almost come down from the house. You know, go on with the thing, you know, my people, watch out. My peeps, watch out, my peeps. My peeps, we outside! We got the hurricane! We not going! We giving you it live and direct! Getting every little thing! Watch here! The breeze is blowing! Breadfruit is dropping! Look at my peeps! Right there! Come up look like this. Breadfruit is dropping. Banana is dropping. Everything is dropping. Tree is dropping. My God. I go up on the road and I go look walk on the road now, so after we don't see all them, I go up on the road with the bicycle. Yeah. Like gone still you know people, so we just go on. Like, comment, share and subscribe up the thing, you know. Yeah man, my peeps, so see how I go on, you know. Come on, see the fall cube, yeah. Yeah man, well batten down, you know, they don't know. Man, this is the fall cube, but they build up back, you know, my people. You see me? So, this is how I go on. Man, we have to check out what I go on find at the yard from early, you know. You see me? So, see it there? The piece they threaten the house right about now, you know. Yeah man, the piece they threaten the house, but nothing that I got to do not really worry for damage. But nevertheless, I could just go and watch how I go on, you know, my people. Yeah man, I go run on the forward, look what I go on up on the road. Yeah man, my peeps, so there to sharpen up in my shit, you know. So you know where we going? We going hunting! We going hunting! So we are going hunting, man, you know. Anything we can find. Alright. On my peeps, right now, we outside, I'm going to tell you what we are doing. Getting all of them off of the light wire them. Right? No current there in them, you know. Clearing the wires. Yeah man. Clearing all wire, you know, my people. Over outside. Outside! We're not doing what? Yeah man, we're outside now, people, see that? Yeah. Why people down here, my people, see that? Oh, the outside, you know, my people. Getting all them clips and the bubbles. Why don't you camera them, I want to see what I go on. Yeah man, see it now, my people. Yeah man, see it ya. Wait, where Mara get the Ganzi there from? Yeah, where get the Ganzi there from, you? Yeah man, see what I go on now, my people. There with the outside, you know. Yeah man, my peeps, we're not going in. If we go in, we're not going to see what's going on. Right? Yeah man, see there, you know, my peeps. There with the outside, I make sure so we get every single thing, you know. Live and direct. You see? There, you know, my people. See that? Wicked piece of hurricane I go on, you know. You see me? Yeah man, me and Biggs out there, you know. What you have to tell them, sir, Biggs?
Yeah, the people, man, real.
Yeah man, real outside, you know, my people. See it there? Yeah man, all watch it. All the shop I feel like my people. Who is it? Yeah man, out there outside now, see there? Yeah! Yeah, we there, yeah, we there, yeah. Yeah man, my people, you know, so I go on. Come on. Check all the light wire them. So then I blow to tree them. Yeah man, such a go on, you know, man. This is what I go on from up the road, eh? Better go on from up the road side, you know.
Yes, sir. We're black the road, you know.
Yeah.
Let's start say go and go tree black the road down.
Yeah man, the breeze a blow hard now, my people. I try to see if I can catch a tree when it a break. Yeah. look what I go on now.
Hey, guy, why are you saying go? It didn't blow up this side and made that still. But I come this with my money, my taxes, I don't have a team, but see if I go away.
So my people say dog got room and room sweet now. Right here, a tree just cracked the coil. Let's go on and see. Beer tree that go tear down, you know. Hold on. Properly go on. I think I guess you're not going on. See it there? Only for breeze. Something not broke now, you know? Somebody has got break. The rain is out here bad and bossy and mean. The rain a blow. I don't say one beryllium in our place in our beach. One beryllium. Yeah, see that? Come on. We're all in with them, I know people. Just there the one place to know and soon relocate because I wait for some of the breeze to blow off so they don't see it. Yeah, alright my peeps, what you are going on with there funny? Something they are going on, something there. If I do a live up on TikTok but then report the live and then take it down. You see me? When I report the live, you know, so I go show you what I go on. Down on the street and I give you live and direct on YouTube. I think YouTube I got trouble with them. You see me? Yeah. So I go on now. Vehicle coming up. Remember I tell my people, miggle the road. You know? Yeah! Why banana? Road block the people. Nothing near pass us in a car. I now make no tree. Limb drop down for me, so I stay right there so I couldn't go and see what I go on. Yeah man, so see there? That's how I go on the same with people. So keep it safe when I fly across over this one. Nothing happen to you know. My people, so what you are going on? Here 3 limb here, you know. Yeah! Here, so what we do now, we just go through and make sure say nothing in the way we tear down for we, you know, so we do it, you know. Watch out. We're all in the outside. You see me? Come on, so see the way go on. Straight down on the road. Whole heap of things are tear down, you know. So I go on there. Take the hillside them. I'm going to fly up the drone up in here now. If it blow away, blow away. That does so. Let that go on up on the hillside. We are either back the road now, people. Nothing not going on. So. Yeah, man, you don't know. See everything. Everything got tear down, you know. I'm telling you, so right now, I'm making the road. Breathe! Breathe! Watch out, my peeps. Anything I go on in the district. Everything flat. Why, my peeps? Weird. Watch out, my peeps. What go on? No, man. Turn it up. Out the outside. Yeah. What you say now, Ezekiel? What you say now? Breadfruit and hockey. Alright. Come on, see, down on my people. Yeah, man, go on, huh? Kita wah buang yang mesti. Mai pass the windscreen. Yeah, man. Wah, fire and I see them from far, so I'm sitting on the people. Easy. See it up on the seaside, you're going on the people. Put it down now, go be one of the 100% best of the people that I know. I tell you outside now, the breeze and the rain. Bodley! And we're going up on the seaside. Welcome to Portland! Yeah, if you want to be drinking on the people. Yeah. Yeah, man, we got Portland and a big gate. That's how we then keep the road blocked, you know. I'm not live with the fun. Yeah, let me test it and report it live. I'm a peep. When I go to you, have to watch out this drink. I ain't a missile, you know. Isn't it? Willingly. I'm a peep. I stand up for a minute, I will have to wear a mango. But today, we get it, one and a good. I'm in the good. Very good. We get it today. Yeah, man, out on the seaside, so we are going on with people. Yeah, man, the people that we don't look up for nothing, you know. On the side of the limb, until we reach out on the seaside. See me? But jump on the next road. Who take the next road, because the next road is more dangerous road than the one. You see me? More dangerous than the road. So that's why we speed yourself on those 3 tricks, you know. Because you see, you speed on those 3 tricks. Rope. Chain. Oh, la bamboo. Yeah. Why the bit? It's on the road, that's on the right side. What's up? What the bit? It's on the right side. It's on the coming out of the missile. It's how we are. It's how we are. One long clip, one third one. Hey, this is... What? You know what I mean? One piece you want a long sleeve shirt and a pants. Want the plate? Super one. Yeah man, me peep to see it, yeah. The fish pot them move up off of the water, you know, cause you know the storm will come. So the fish pot them have to come out. Come on. Whole heap of fish pot same, you know, my people. See I'm boy do there same here. Edge over there so. Go on, I'm gonna see what I go on, you know. Yeah. Yeah man, my people, so we are head out back, you know. I hope you see what I go on the seaside, you know. After that, I'm going to push thing. You see that? The sky and the mountain, them are the same look. I imagine you come out in the same way. Beryl, 100 gun! Boy, the breeze are throwing sun like a missile, my people. Right now, I'm going to put back that foot and wheel up. Right, the sun's out, you don't know where it's far around people. Boy, I'm going to take up that over there. Somebody didn't hot like all that sun, they lick me with a fight, you know. civilian out here on the road, you know. I try to get it live and direct. Yeah, man, so try to remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, you know. You see me? If we get them exclusive content, yeah. Come on, watch out. Out here now the origin, you know, people. See me? Exclusive content. Nice and clean. Out here outside, man. Nah, boy, you know. Auntie, what are you?
One side I link broke out. You know what?
I'm glad to stand boy, go broke down to the man. Breathe, come on the paper. Hey, come on by there. Yeah. On the street news. Giving you the latest, my people, the latest update. Right now, I got through with my girlfriend Beryl. Isn't it? Yeah. You got to go see, man. careful what you're doing out here. Easy, hold Yeah man, what you see what going on there? Beryl man tear down one light wire and internet. Can't even go try to save one of them that send a bus to my people. You know how that go? Yeah man. No chair now, going to the chair there. This is a broke down. Yeah. Yeah man, right now we are trying to see if we can get rid of the people that are by wire them. Okay? Yeah man, so let's go out there now. So I'll get the keys that put off now. You know I'm going to reach up there. That's what you're going to Yeah, my peeps, you know, look what I'm going, you know. I'm soon going in the house and also, you know, say anything more, you know, see? And now I go see it again for the rest of the day, you know, tomorrow again before. When I get back, nothing again, you know, so. Be sure, make sure to check everything. You know? Like, comment, share and subscribe. Come on, see that? Come like you breathe up a power down on people. Brawling hard. Just forward from the seaside still. See me? But this is going on now.